What's up, YouTube? We are back!
Back with another road trip.
Back with another video, baby!
I think that comes from your lungs, yeah?
Don't worry about that. Tell them where we go. Cap. What was that?
I don't know. Bump in the road.
Guys, today we are trying authentic Chinese food. Not that bing bong chicken wing french fries.
Oh, bing bong!
Bing bong.
No, not that chicken wing french fries. We are trying authentic Chinese food. So guess where we're heading?
We're headed to Flushing.
It wasn't that. I was asking the subscribers. Guess where we're heading? Not you, but thank you,
you're
Chef
welcome.
Sam. Guys, we're heading to Flushing. So come along for the drive,
Oh, yeah.
and you guys are gonna see where we're gonna get this authentic Chinese food. Because I don't even know.
I hope you know. Look,
I don't
he's
even know.
driving.
What?
I don't even know. It's a surprise. So we'll see you when we get there.
All right.
Guess what? We're here.
We made it.
Guys, we are outside White Bear. Comment below if you've ever been here or if you heard of it. About to go inside and see what they got. You ready?
I am so excited. I'm ready.
Let's go.
Oh.
It's too heavy for me.
It's too heavy.
Number 6.
Some dumplings, wontons with hot sauce and chili oil. Look at this menu, guys. Look at this menu. Yeah.
Number 6. Oh, you got a picture of this? The menu?
Yep, we get a number 6.
It says
One.
right there, popular number 6.
And number 17. What's number 17?
I don't know. They say 17.
Look, number 6 and number 17.
Noodle with noodles.
Noodles with hot sauce with veggie pork.
Guys, we got the goods. Woo!
It smells so good.
We got the number 6, like you guys said. A lot of people on social media said if you go to White Bear, get number 6. So that's what we got.
The sign at White Bear said, popular, number 6.
6 and 17. I don't know what 17 is, but we will put a picture of the menu. Maybe you guys can tell us what number 17 is. But yo, I'm ready. It smells good. It's got like chili and spices and pickled vegetables. Yo, these wontons look bussin'.
Yep.
You ready?
And like you guys said, you gotta eat them hot. So what we doing?
We eating them right away in the car.
Yes.
Let's
wait.
Let's say grace and jump right in.
All right.
Grace, let's eat. Woo! Ladies first. You go first. I hope it's not hot.
What do you mean the sign said hot? It's a
Yeah,
hot
but
chili.
you know I like everything hot. So my hot might be a little different from their hot.
So on the bottom there's like this sauce. Look, I guess that's the hot sauce or chili sauce.
Guys, look at this. I need you guys to look at this dumpling or wonton. What do you guys call it? Dumpling, wonton. Ready, boo? Let's eat.
I find it to be hot.
It's not hot.
but it's good.
I need some more sauce though.
You gotta mix it on the bottom.
Oh, the sauce at the
You gotta
bottom.
go like this, or
Maybe we should have put the lid on and shook it up.
oh, maybe.
Oops.
Oh,
Oh, skunk.
shoot.
I need a bib.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's what I need. I need some sauce. The other one didn't have that much sauce.
I wanted to try some of that. What is that black thing on top of it? Chili?
I guess it's chili. Chili flakes. Oh,
Making a mess, Chef Trini.
let's see all that juice. Grandma know what she's doing.
Wow.
Grandma know what she's doing in that kitchen. Grandma came to the door. I had to help her open it. She was like, "Can I help you?" I said, "I'm here for the number 6." That's all I said. He said, "You only want one?" Yeah.
It's really good.
Yo, this is bussin'.
And the service was so fast.
Oh yeah.
So fast.
You gotta order outside though. It's cold today too. It's like 20 degrees out here in New York.
No, it's brick.
Guys, look at this. This thing is
It's
covered.
brick city.
It's covered in sauce. It's dripping with that chili sauce. Oh my god, this thing is good. It's amazing. Guys, you guys
Really good.
you guys have to go to White Bear and get the number 6.
Definitely.
Let's see that. Ooh. Nah, man. Woo. Woo.
That's really good.
Yo, this is. Oh, look at this one. It comes with 12 dumplings, or 12 wontons, guys. And how much was it? It was $9. Not bad. $9.
12? Not bad at all.
Yo, it's busting.
Not bad at all. We get this around the way, you paying way more than. But they don't taste like this. What are them little things in there?
What little things?
These little green things.
Maybe garlic?
Scallions, garlic.
Garlic,
They-
scallions. Yeah, it's like
look,
pickled vegetables.
Put some of them on, take one and then put some on top of it.
Oh, can you put it for me?
Alright, it's so good.
I can take it out. Ooh.
It is so good with that.
So this is what she's talking about. All that garlic, scallions.
Yes.
It's good. And it's not too hot. No, it's not too hot at all.
Look at it.
It's not too hot.
Look at that. Yeah.
Ooh. See all that chili flakes on that.
Good. This is really delicious.
I'll give this a 10.
Absolutely.
I give this a 10. I can't even eat no more. Yo, but these pickled vegetables are good.
Can't eat no more.
I'm eating it by itself. These pickled vegetables.
It's good.
Let me get some of that pickled vegetable.
Go for it.
Yeah, it's really good.
It took a long time.
I don't know. I'm kind of full, and I got another stop. All right.
No judgment. No judgment.
You forced me. I gotta take one.
You
more.
have to.
I don't have to do nothing.
It's so good. That's what I'm saying.
No,
It's just so good.
It's really good. It's really good. Guys, you got it. Look at this. You guys have to go to White Bear.
I gotta save another one.
I don't want no more. Stop. You eat it.
I will. This is so good.
I know I should never ate that last one. I overdid it.
Is there a time restriction that you don't overdo it?
Not really.
Yeah, not really.
That's it. I'm full. I'm definitely gonna get that 10 out of 10. I will be going back. Maybe next time I'll try number 17, whatever that is. But these spicy wontons are amazing. Anything else you want to say, Boo?
No, I'm glad whoever recommended this.
I seen it on social media. I think I was on Instagram,
Yeah.
and I seen it. And it's like, yo, if you go to White Bear, get the number 6, and the number 6 is what we got, and it was bussin'.
Definitely. This
Guys,
is amazing.
we hope you liked our review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out.